welcome back to Red A Ted Art. Yes, it's mini notebook time again. We're going to make a mini panda notebook out of one sheet of paper. In fact, that one sheet of paper can make two mini notebooks. And if you're making this panda, it's no glue. If you're making this panda, okay, we did glue on a little Pandacorn horn. But these are actually, in fact, no glue mini notebooks made from one sheet of paper. Come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. You will need one sheet of paper, just the one, which will make two notebooks, just some pens of varying colors or different types, and a pair of scissors. You begin by folding your sheet of paper in half. Now, this is A4, so this is a European size, but any type of paper is fine. It just means your final dimensions will be slightly different, which isn't a problem. So cut this in half. Keep this, in a minute you'll use it again. And fold in half again, this way around. So you will see from your original piece of paper, you've got two pieces and a long piece. And this will, I'll show you, we'll turn this one into the pages. So one A4 sheet of paper, 4 pieces. Now to make the cover, take one piece of paper, fold in half. Don't crease it too much, this is just a guideline. So open it again, so you now have this guide. And now you take the bottom half and take it almost to the edge, not quite. So here's the line, I didn't cut it very straight. But don't worry, it's a very forgiving craft. And then turn it round, and again, bring it almost to the center. The key thing is that when you bring your sheet in, it's wider than this piece. Fold in half. So you've got it like this. Now fold in half that way. Open, and then bring the side in again, not all the way to the center, but maybe 1 centimeter away. Again, nice neat crease, and the same on this side. Make sure they're the same width, give it a good crease. So you folded it in, and this is your cover. Now it's time to make your pages. So you take one strip, you measure it against your cover, so here's your, and you make it slightly smaller. So you see, slightly smaller, so there's a little gap, and then you concertina it. You can see I didn't cut mine very neatly, but that's okay, it will still work. Maybe cut yours a bit neater. I think I was just rushing it for the video. And then use that last little piece. You can either cut it off, or you can use it as a part to help you tuck in your pages. So that's concertinaed. And now to assemble it, you tuck, here's a little sleeve, tuck it in on one side, fold it, and tuck it in on the other side. And you have your basic notebook finished. There we go, we've made these before, and we've decorated them in all sorts of ways. So basic notebook finished. Now let's turn it into a panda bear. Now if you want, you can sketch it with a pencil first and then rub out the lines. I do find it a little handy to do that, so I start with my panda bears by putting in some ears right into the corners. This is so you cut as little away as possible. So right into the corner, so it's quite a big ear, but that'll be fine. Like this. And then you have the head shape. And then I'm going to make mine eat a pizza. So I'm just doing it all roughly, so I can then go over it with a black pen, and then you have a really nice outline. So, and then we'll do the rest in a black outline. So, I've got a nice thick pen, and I'm gonna colour in the ears. You can leave it now if you want. Actually, I might give it some little eyes. I think that's quite cute. Or you can get some scissors and you can trim your notebook into more of a panda shape. I'm not actually going to cut that much. I'm just going to shape the top here by cutting into the corner. And I'm going to cut a little bit into the head, just by the ear. And I'm going to leave the sides. You won't even notice that they're not cut. I think it's just nice to shape the head a little bit. And that is actually it. This is how easy it is to make your own little panda notebook. How cute are they? And look, here I did another one earlier on. And I made the same panda, but I added, with a little bit of glue, a little Pandacorn horn on it. Isn't that adorable? So this one is no glue, one sheet of paper, or actually half a sheet of paper, mini notebook, and this one is a mini notebook with a tiny little bit added as decorations. Aren't they adorable? So anyway, as per usual, I hope you liked, you enjoyed this video, and that you like, comment, and subscribe. But above all, I'd love you to keep making, keep watching, and of course, I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.